signal. And the daily signal is a breakout of the high of the day. However, how do we know exactly where the high of the day is? So step 1 is time. For Asia, we want to be trading between 9 and 11 p.m. New York time. And then for London, we want to be trading between 3 and 5 a.m. And then for New York, we want to be trading between 9 and 11 a.m. All this is New York time. So for example, on this day, we were buying. And so, if we were buying in the London session, we just draw our timing window from 3 to 5. And then we can easily identify the high and the low of the day simply by just drawing the highest point price has reached that day before the session begins, and the lowest point price has reached that day before the session begins. This is our high of the day, this is our low of the day. And if we are buying, the signal that we want to see is a breakout of that low. And we can see that we have this breakout at exactly 3 to 3:15. Once we see the breakout, now we can move on to the specific pattern that we are looking for.